Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have done an organize with me on my two makeup, eyeshadow, skincare drawers. As you can see, this one is a little messy and same goes for the one above it. So today I'm going to be taking it out and organizing everything inside. As you can see, this bottom drawer has a lot of things just thrown inside, so my goal is to really take the time to organize it and to sort the top drawer and the bottom drawer to be able to find things a lot easier and so they're not all thrown all over the place. So now that we're finishing up the bottom drawer, it is time to move our way to the top drawer. So as you can see here, this top drawer has a lot of my palettes in it and probably things that I use on an everyday basis. I really want to make sure that my shadows and my face products are organized neatly and easier for me to find. I always find that when my makeup is kind of thrown all over the place, I tend to just stick to what's on top, and I want to start really going through my collection and finding what I do and don't use. Okay, so now that the drawers are empty, let's get to organizing. So to start off, I had these extra clear containers kind of lying around in my bathroom that I wasn't using, so I figured it'd be a good spot to organize kind of my smaller shadows and some of my lipsticks that I use on a more regular basis. Next, I figured it was a good idea to have my setting sprays right at the front and then take my foundations and some of the highlighters and put them in another container. As you can see, I am going to be reorganizing multiple times throughout this video because I needed to find what truly was right for me. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees. Throughout this video, when I was cleaning up, there were a couple products that I hadn't even opened yet, which is kind of embarrassing. So I decided to take them out of their actual packaging and put them right inside my container so it's easy to find, easy to see, and I'm not wondering what's inside the box. I did have a couple products that I was stocking up on, which is why you can kind of see me tucking them towards the back. There are ones that I don't need right now, but I will need when I end up running out of the current product that I'm using. Now, I don't wear false lashes on an everyday basis, so that's why they're kind of tucked towards the back. I tried to keep my blushes and bronzers sort of in the same area along with my highlighters so that I knew what was there and what I could be using. As you can see, this top drawer kind of turned into a catch-all place. I didn't really have things organized in terms of face or cheek or highlight. It was more or less trying to organize the smaller items that I want to have organized but don't have a correct spot for. So that is all for the top drawer. Let's move on to the bottom drawer. So here we are going to start with palettes. You're going to see me kind of shuffle these around and really try and figure out what fits and what doesn't. I find it really hard to organize and fit palettes into a smaller drawer because they're all different sizes, and to be honest, it will probably change again now that I'm using it and I can really figure out what works for me and what doesn't. I didn't really have any rhyme or reason for where I was putting the palettes. I think I was more or less just looking at what sizes fit. If I were to go back and do this, which to be honest I probably might after watching back this video, I will probably organize it based on face, cheek, highlight, eyeshadow, kind of more use instead of the size. If anyone has any suggestions on how to better organize these palettes in sort of an easier way, then please let me know. I'm open to suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this organized video, please give this a thumbs up, and I will be sure to continue organizing my other areas. See you on my next one.